birthday Ate Dora. And happy Mother's Day sa tanan Mama. Happy Mother's Day everyone. Grabe kalinaw sa dagat. Pero arang sa lagi kasuga.
Tubig dito, hamal na tukuan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yesu. Yay, happy birthday, Yesu. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Happy birthday, Yesu. Happy birthday, Ate Dora. Happy Mother's Day.